let me tell what I believe as a nutrition lecturer, what is one of the best breakfast overall for practically everyone, even diabetics. Okay, that is avocado. Add an egg in there, boiled egg. Avocado, let me tell you, is a rich source of vitamin C, E, B, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium. A few just came to mind. Of course, it has very good fats. Now, also, the avocado it has a lot of fiber, which is good. We need a little bit more fiber. And eggs, sometimes people think it has so many good complete amino acids. Don't throw away the egg yolk. People are afraid of cholesterol. That is fake science. Your brain is mostly cholesterol, you know that? But there are good cholesterol, there are bad cholesterol. Eating eggs, in fact, would help you, you know, and with this avocado will help you balance it and lower the bad cholesterol. Now, avocado, you know, you combine it with egg, put an egg in there, inside that little hole. Oh, have you ever tried it? It tastes really yummy. Now, don't overcook the eggs. And I've been teaching it lately, especially because now that I discover more scientific evidence that you want the eggs to be, yes, done, but not well done, not overdone, definitely. So don't cook eggs for like over 8 minutes, okay? Or 10 minutes, no. And in another video, I show people how you know that eggs, if you overcook, will show a little greenish color. That is bad. It's toxic to your body, especially your colon. So be very careful. And I've been teaching people just to save time, just, you know, 用这个方法 around the egg, so you don't have to remove the skin. I mean, the shell. Save time. And just, you know, use a spoon to dig it out. So this is perfect. You should eat 2 eggs, by the way, every morning. Yes, 2. A little secret. The way I do it, I start boiling the water. I put the eggs in there when the water starts boiling. I boil at high heat, and then of course, you know, when they boil, I turn it down and I totally boil for about 6 minutes. Now it depends how strong is the fire, wherever. And I actually, when I boil it, I cover it, but not all the way. Okay, not all the way. Yeah. So anyway, and then after 6 minutes, I turn it off, and I will 关掉这个. Okay, turn off the fire, 关掉这个火. And then I will boil it for another 2 to 3 minutes longer. Okay? And it will come out to be perfect. Now, some people say 5 minutes is only necessary. You try it. I mean, you know, everyone may do it a little different. It depends on how high you turn up the heat. So anyway, but one more thing I want to say. Eggs contain lecithin. You know that? Yes. And that really helps you balance the cholesterol. And besides that, it's not cholesterol that kills you. It is bad cholesterol that has been oxidized, 氧化. So when you eat avocado, guess what? It prevents oxidation of the cholesterol. Yes, it's good for you. This is a good combination. And I've been eating it every morning. So 我推荐你最好的早餐. I'm Raymond Kwong. Thank you.